civic leadership, a new generation of civic leadership that takes the whole community in consideration, that believes that our fates are tied. This kind of civic leadership that feels like lifts all boats, if you will, right? That thinks about like our destinies are connected. It's very crucial to teach that to our children, that idea that we're all in this together, right? And even in Haiti, certainly, but in the broader world, in all these justice movements, we see that people succeed when they realize that their fates are tied and that they're bound together. And we already have this in our culture. You know, we have this in the Combit, we have this in the Lakou, and we have this in the work that you are doing, enseigner pour Haïti, not enseigner pour moi, ou enseigner pour famille, but enseigner pour Haïti.